Hello, today we're going to be learning how many seconds are in 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute is a space about time, okay, and a minute is a duration that's quite small. And you have seconds, you have minutes, you have hours, and you have days, okay, but we're talking about just minutes. So there are 60 seconds, really fast. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3, like that. There are 60 seconds, okay, in every 1 minute, okay? And then that means there are 60 minutes in every hour, for example. But let's just focus on the seconds, okay? So there are 60 seconds in every minute, which would mean that there are 30 seconds in half a minute, because half of 1 minute is 30 seconds. So all you need to know is that for every 1 minute, there are 60 seconds in every minute. Okay, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!